This is pneumatic wire stripping machine for stripping the wire. This type stripping for this stripping. Here is the adjuster is provided on the top. Two for one is for losing for blade. This for pressing portion and for the losing tightening the blade or losing the blade. For the pressing and for the losing. Okay, this is the here is the portion in which compressor is adjusted. It's a foot pedal is provided in it. Here is the pipe is connected. For this, here is the pipe connected. Here is the pipe connected. You can see that here is the also pipe connected. So you can see that total machine from back side. So area in which the compressor provided their compression. Here is the this is a foot pedal. So wire for connection is provided here. It's an electrical also. Now you can see that this is the portion of blade. Here is the portion. You can see that there is a portion of blade. Here you can see that the full machine for adjusting the adjuster. Two adjuster is provided in it. Can see that here is the filtering the pipe, filtering the compressor. You can see that. You can see wholly machine. We have kept two types same. Its a model is 3F and same model it's a 3FT is also come. So this is a same machine. You can see that. Yeah, you can see that the machine. So whole machine is a compressor is provided in it. You can see that I'm pressing. Here is you can see that light is on. Here you can see slowly this machine. You can see that. You can see here stripping is done. Same stripping is also done. Stripping is done. Stripping. Here stripping is done. Simple stripping is done. Full. Here you can see that the machine. How it working. Total machine video. You can see that. Foot pedal with so pipes is provided. Here is also pipe provided for adjusting. You can see that from back side. I'm seeing the machine. For this pipe is connected to this portion. This pipe connected to this portion. This pipe is connected to this portion. So the area in which the filter is done. So compressor pipe, compressor, 7 bar compressor is required for it. Here you can see that total machine. Here is the another is everything is provided in it. You can see the machine. totally. It's a semi-automatic machine of foot paddle. Foot paddle is provided semi-automatic pneumatic wire stripping machine. Its name is 3F FN 3FN. It's model for tightening the blade, for the pressure, increasing the pressure. This is nozzle for the increasing the pressure, for the tightening the blade. You can see that it's a portion of blade. You can see that in which gap is the maximum and minimum. You can adjust it by through this portion. You can put out, you can increase the stripping area. This area you can increase and decrease. Whatever the area you want stripping, you can increase them by the hair. It's also for the pressures thing. Lose it. Here is the portion. You can, if this portion is means damage or anything is happening, so then you can put out from here. So bolt is provided in it fully. It's a tabletop because this hole is provided in it. You can adjust it. It means basically is that this machine is for stripping. One is for this portion is for increasing pressure, for blade increase. ये प्रेशर को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, ब्लेड को इंक्रीज करने के लिए लूज और टाइट वो अपन कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे ये कंप्रेसर पाइप प्रोवाइडेड है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इस कंप्रेसर का, ये कंप्रेसर क्योंकि यहाँ पे कंप्रेसर क्यों कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि कंप्रेसर का ये पाइप आपको कनेक्टेड है. यहाँ पे देखिए ये वाला पाइप एक ब्लेड से कनेक्टेड है और ये पोर्शन यहाँ तक जाता है. ये हमारे इस पोर्शन से कनेक्टेड है, इस पोर्शन से, और ये वाला पोर्शन इस पोर्शन से कनेक्टेड. और यहाँ पे यहाँ पे हमारा पाइप्स है. ये इस पोर्शन को एक स्टेबल रह के मूवमेंट ना हो, फॉर द नॉट मूवमेंट ऑफ दिस it's a provided in it. Okay, you can see that. Stripping. The stripping. The stripping is done. Here you can send as per your requirement. You can adjust it. You can see that. So it's the price of this machine. इस मशीन के प्राइस अप्रॉक्स 28,000. Or what can we say that this machine for stripping only, not for twisting. Same type of machine is come, but there will be twisting. There will be one extra portion is adjusted in it for the twisting. This is not for twisting, only stripping. It's a simple stripping, and you can do 60 pieces per minute capacity. 1 mm to 8 mm is the minimum. 1 mm to 8 mm stripping done in this. Lengths depend on whatever you keep us. It depend on you. Whatever the length you can keep us. Okay. See the machine. Totally. So here is the portion. You can see Okay. Thank you.